Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 does not assign drive letter for external disk Oregon USB drive. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open virtual disk, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type auto mount. Type auto mount enable. Type auto mount scrub. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.